Meantime, if you're a parent, you can now track the number of cases at your child's school. This is the COVID-19 report card. It's a live database that lists schools, the positivity rate, as well as the number of cases in the school. But not all schools are on the list. Take St. Mark's School in North Buffalo, for example. Because it's a private school, it's not on the list, even though they have one reported COVID case. 7 Eyewitness News senior reporter Eileen Buckley shows us how the dashboard works and who is on the list, so you can make sure your kids are getting safely back to school.
The first information we received was that private schools were not going to be completing this survey, and late Friday afternoon we received other information that said, yes, you are.
At Cardinal O'Hara High School in the town of Tonawanda, students are back to school for in-person learning. Principal Mary Holzerland says initially private and Catholic schools were omitted from the state's COVID report card. But as of today, O'Hara will begin implementing information into the statewide system. Here's how the state's COVID-19 report card works. You can search by a school name or by a public school address. For instance, we know right now that in the Amherst Central School District, there are at least 2 reported COVID cases. When you type in that school district, Amherst Central High School comes up with 1 positive case reported. Also, Amherst Middle School with 1 reported positive COVID case. But right now, that reported case at St. Mark's School in Buffalo is not appearing on the reports. When you type in the school address, only Buffalo Public Schools appear in that zip code. Cardinal O'Hara's principal says she believes private and Catholic schools could be scrambling to fill out the information.
We just got the information. We didn't have any preparation really, so I think people are still getting it all set up.
Schools are required to update the report card each day at 3 p.m. But this principal says she is pleased her school is able to fill out the reports.
Yes, I have no problem with that. I think whatever we need to do to keep all of our students and faculty and staff safe and their families at home.
The Erie County Health Department tells 7 Eyewitness News it will work with any school to help them fulfill their state reporting requirements. As for the reported COVID case here at St. Mark's School, I received an email from the principal saying the Erie County Health Department reported the case to the school and the school has reported it to their community. For now, they've declined an on-camera interview. In North Buffalo, Eileen Buckley, 7 Eyewitness News.